Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to be opening 2 blister packs and 3 Fates Collide booster packs as well. You can see the 3 booster packs here, and there's 1 blister pack. That is the Froakie pack with the Victini coin, and then we have the second one. The Vivian, I believe it's called, with the silver coin on it. So before we open them blister packs, I'll open up these 3 packs here because they're already loose, so there's no point opening a pack when I've already got 3 there. Also, I'm going to be doing a review on these 2 decks in an upcoming videos. So one is a Battle Ruler themed deck, and the other one is a Sky Guardian themed deck. I got these all from magicmadhouse.co.uk. I believe I paid a total of just under 50 quid. 7 of that was for delivery, so £41 I'd say. So yeah, I'll leave a link to Magic Madhouse website in the in the description below. If you pay by card, you actually get a discount added to your account. So if you pay for every £10 you spend, you get 50p back added to your account. So the more you buy, the more money you save. Right, so as you see, we got 3 pack arts. Mega Alakazam, Break, Delphox, and a Mega, what's his name? Oh bloody, his name slipped my mind, but he's a Mega one of them. Mega Zygarde, that's it. So, yep, let's open the Mega Zygarde one first. This is the first pack of 9. I'll be getting a massive box full of cards that I will be opening on YouTube as well in the upcoming days. I'll be doing a total, I believe there's a total of 710 cards in the box I'll be getting, so I'll be doing a video of me showing off 110 per video, so that'll be 7 videos. Right, so we've got a Snubble. Yeah, let me turn off the light. There you go. Snubble, a Seal, a Bronzor, a Cottony, Burmy, Ordino Spirit Link, Pokemon Fan Club, Wormadam, Reverse Hollow of a Riolu, and the final card is a Rotom. I believe I actually needed that Rotom because I haven't actually got him yet, so obviously I've got him now, but I didn't have him before. Next up is a Break Delphox. I'll be giving away the codes in the comment section of the video, so the first 9 people to get a comment in, as long as you like, subscribe and leave a comment, I will send you a code. All you have to do is send me a message through YouTube and I will send you one. Do the card trick. We've got a Fennekin, a Gothita, Binnacle, a Meowth, a Whismur, Fairy Garden, a Brazen, Scorched Earth, Dome Fossil Kabuto is the reverse holo, and the final card is a Gensec EX. Awesome card. So I just love the way these cards feel. So that is one sweet card we pulled so far. Let's try and get 2 out of 3, and this one is the Mega Alakazam card. Yeah, so as I said, I'm going to be attempting to do a deck review. If I'm not that good, it's because I'm not really good at reviewing Pokemon decks at the moment, but I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, I had a knock at the door. I believe I did the card trick. If I didn't, then sorry about that, but let's see. First card up is a Diglett. Then we have a Larvitar, Carbink, Burmy, a Bronzor, Pupitar, and a Dugong, X-Cloud. Reverse holo is a Spoink, and the final card is a Barbacle. So that's the 3 packs opened. From them 3 packs we got 1 EX. And now I will open these packs. This pack is a Froakie pack, the Froakie Blister pack. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so first up we got the card, which is a holographic Froakie. That is a Black Star promo number XY138. So I collect all of the promo cards, so I'll put this in a sleeve for later. And we got a Victini coin. Nice. And then we have another 3 packs. As you can see, it's the Break Delphox, the Mega Alakazam, and the Mega... Oh, for God's sake. That Mega one. I always forget his name. So open the Delphox first. It's like, oh, that's it. Okay, so let's see if we can get another EX from this pack. Or from this, let's see if we can get an EX from this blister pack. We've got a Fennekin, a Gothita, a Spoink, a Soloist, a Lucario, a Kabuto, an Ultra Ball, Shauna, but Binnacle, reverse holo is a Meowth, Let me just check something. Yeah, the Lucario, I've done the card trick wrong. So the Lucario is the holographic Lucario. And I'll put that in there. So in that pack we had one holo, so not too bad so far. Next one is a Fates Collide, the Mega Alakazam pack, the pack art, sorry. Yeah, so if you want a code for the Pokemon trading card game online, leave a message in the comment section, hit the like button, subscribe, and send me a message through YouTube messages, and I will send you a code. But as you can see, I've only got 9 codes, so if you want one, make sure you're one of the first people to message. Alright, so we've got a Seal, Fennekin, Gothita, Binnacle, Meowth, Wormadam, Pupitar, Dugong, then a reverse holo of a Snivy, which is only a uncommon, and then a Mandib as rare. So one holo out of this blister pack is pretty good. And there's the Zygarde, Mega Zygarde pack. I keep forgetting the bloody name. Okay, let's see what we got in here. We got a Coughing, Minccino, Diglett, Riolu, Carbink, Energy Reset, Pupitar, Shauna, a reverse holo Carbink, and the final card of this blister pack is a Lucario non-holo. So from that set, from that blister pack, we have these two holographics, the Froakie, which is a Black Star promo as I showed at the start, and a Lucario holographic. You can just about see the holo on there. Right, let's open this final blister pack. Give me 2 seconds. Let me know what you think of the Genesect. As I said earlier, I'll be opening a massive pack of Pokemon cards that I'll be getting in the post from a seller on a Facebook group. So I can't wait to open that. That'll be pretty cool. If there are any copies of the cards that I don't need, I will probably give them away on one of the videos, so stay tuned and I'll let you know. Right, so we got a Vivian holo card. I'll put that in a protection pack because I like collecting the Black Star promo cards. And then we also have a Genesect coin, so that'll go over there next to Genesect. Well, put them on top of there actually. Yeah, as I said before, I bought all these from madhouse.co.uk, so I'll leave a link in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Right, so we got a Lucario Lugia break coin pack on. I believe that's the first Lugia break of the blister packs. got a Cottony, a Riolu, a Gothita, a Whismer, Mendocino, a Chaos Tower, a Zygarde, pretty nice card that. Then we have a Bent Spoon, a Reverse Hollow Snorlax, and the final card is a Mega Alakazam EX. Very nice. Yeah, my favourite deck on my Pokemon trading card game is Mega Alakazam so far. I've beat so many people of it, and so many people actually don't see it through to the end because they know they got no chance of winning. Right, so we've got a Mega Zygarde pack. Let's open that and see if we can pull one. Right, so we got do the card trick. Let me put the these are the decks I'll be doing at a later date. So if you want to see them, see me review them, keep an eye on my YouTube channel. And I will also be giving away the code for one of them decks to one lucky person. So, right, we've got a Fennekin, a Vullaby, a Larvitar, Cottony, Coughing, Cincino, Helix Fossil Omanyte, a Wigglytuff, and we have a holographic, it looks like a holo of a Chaos Tower, which is pretty nice. Pretty basic holograph, it is still pretty nice. And the final card is a Aerodactyl. So not too bad, I guess, on that one. So from this deck, from this blister pack, we have had one EX, well, one Mega EX. This is the last pack of the videos. If you want me to do more blister packs like this, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll give away all the codes, and maybe give away a few of the cards if I don't need them. Right, I need to do the card trick first. If you want to trade as well, let me know, because I'm always up for trades. Right, so we've got a Snivy, a Diglett, a Seal, Fennekin, Carbink, Omanyte, Whimsicott, a Delusion, or however you say it. And we have a Jigglypuff, and the final card is a Omastar. So let's go over the whole collection of what I've got from this video. So then that, and that. Okay, going by the Black Star cards, we've got the Froakie, and then the Vivillon. Then we have the Genesect EX, which is really nice. After that we have the Lucario Holo. And then the best one out of the pack, I reckon. Focus. Mega Alakazam EX. So from 90 cards, we got 5 very nice cards and 3 awesome cards. So if you want to if you want to watch me open and review one of these in my next video, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to. Hope you enjoyed watching the video and have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a message in the comment section, and message me on YouTube Messenger to get a free code. There are only 9 of them, so if you want to get one and you're within the first 9, you can get one of these for free, and you know it'll be a Fates Collide box. So do that, and hope you have a good day.